forgot you were there because I got distracted and read what this was. And this was from Lazada. We will be opening it today, and we got the scissors right here, just ready. And if you're new here, my name is Jamaica C. Morales. Please call me Orange. And this is an unboxing video. No mic this time. Yeah. Because Mama's phone is charging. Now, it is sold by Crystal Collection. And it is called All New LED Cinematic Letter Box for Room Decoration Cinematic LED Sign Letter Light Box. It's what Kuya Seth has as well. Ooh. Sorry. Let's see where's the price again. It is 293 pesos. Ooh, very affordable, guys. Might need to pause the camera for a bit. Okay, guys. So Mama helped me now. So let's open it. Oh, it is so big. Whoa! Ooh! Look. Open it. Looks so beautiful. Nice. It's inside a box. Okay. Okay, I think this is the open. This one is the front, as you can see. There is something here called light box there. And this is the back of it. As you can see, there's words and this. It can even add your full name. That's actually so cool. Now let's open the box. Oh my arm, that's... Oh! This actually looks nice. Here's the front. And here's the back. Oh, seems like it needs that. Alright. Oh, this is where you put your name.
Show it here.
Here's the back. Here's where you put the batteries. You need to open this one.
This one pa.
Oh yeah, you need to screw it. Seems like you need a lot of batteries.
For the wall.
Okay, that's so adorable.
Or you can put it standing up.
Ah, that's so cool.
Those are the letters and...
Oh, one of them fell. These are the letters and numbers. Oh, got stuck. Oh.
You need to...
It's kind of stuck together. Okay. That's actually looking nice. I like it. Oh, something is sticking again. Oh. Pretty sure. There we go. Oh, it has a heart and a star. That's so cute. Okay, let's start putting it in. beautiful. And well, we didn't use this because there was no more space here. Oh, sad. But okay. Well, there's a lot more there, but here is my name. Orange's Little Ministry. I wonder where we will put this. Here is a preview of it in my room. And the heart will just be right here. Another preview. I hope you guys like this video. Bye-bye. See you all next Sunday. Here's another preview of it in my room. I will put the heart later. Bye-bye.